Hello everyone, happy Diwali in advance. We all know the importance of continuous learning. So this Diwali, we are offering a 50% discount on our all the live courses as well as on our bundle courses. You can use Diwali 50 coupon code to get a 50% discount over our all the live courses as well as over our bundle courses. If I talk about our live courses, so we have our multiple live courses called Machine Learning Project Bootcamp, NLP Bootcamp, Generative AI LLM Bootcamp. Now let's try to discuss our all courses one by one. So here we have our Machine Learning Bootcamp. So whether you are a beginner or an expert looking to enhance your resume for machine learning job profile or a data science, then this particular course is designed just for you. In this particular course, I'm going to cover end-to-end industry standard project with MLOps tools integration, where we are going to write an entire code in a live class so that along with the mentor, you can build an entire projects, and in this way, you will get a complete hands-on practical implementation. So here in this particular machine learning project bootcamp that we are going to cover a total 3 projects and the 2 end-to-end based upon the industry standard, we are going to build an entire project where we are going to write a complete code in a live class so that along with the mentor that you can write a complete code. Apart from this one, we are going to do the integration with MLOps tools where we are going to use Docker, MLflow as well as a DVC. So with the help of these 3 MLOps tools, we can do the complete integration in this particular projects. As well as for the deployment purpose, we are going to use a AWS cloud platform. Okay, so this is our first live courses. Now let's talk about our second courses, NLP Bootcamp. So again, this course I'm going to cover basics to advanced. So if you are interested in data science or NLP field, because NLP is an emerging and the demanding field that we have nowadays in the market. So again, this course I will cover everything from zero, scratch to till advanced, where we can start with the stemming, lemmatization, word embedding, then we can cover a deep learning concepts like neural network, activation function, loss function, optimizer. After that, we can jump into the NLP part where we can cover the RNN, LSTM, encoder decoder, then transformer model. Again, in a transformer that we are going to cover a multiple SOTA model, and based upon that, we can build a multiple 7 to 8 end-to-end deep learning project that we can build. So this is all about our NLP bootcamp. Now let's talk about our third courses called Generative AI LLM Bootcamp. So this is a 100% job ready program that we have, because we all know nowadays generative AI and LLM, this is a very emerging, or we can say the very demanding topic that we have. Every people in every JD that you will get a generative AI concept, you will get the LLM concept. Every company nowadays they are looking for a generative AI developer or a LLM developer. Okay, so this is a completely 100% job ready program that we have. In this particular course that we are going to cover again from the scratch, where we can start with the prompt engineering. We can cover first of all the prompt engineering concept, then we can jump into the OpenAI LLM concepts, a vector database, again that we are going to cover attention as well as a transformer model, because whatever the LLM model that we have, all the LLM model that we have based upon the transformer and attention model. So first that we can cover the transformer, again that I have included some of the SOTA model as well, like BORD, a GPT. Then we can start a LangChain. Again in a LangChain that we are going to cover a multiple concepts, a multiple components like chain, memory, agents, LLM. Okay, LLM model that we can cover here. Again in a LLM model that we are going to cover the multiple models like Llama, Llama 2, Plum, Plama, OPT, Falcon, Flan. So these are the complete LLM model that we are going to cover. Now RAG concept, retrieval augmented generation, RL. Okay, so reinforcement learning from the human feedback, and after that we can build a multiple application. Okay, so in every courses that you will get the coupon code, you can just click on the buy now option and then you will get the 50% discount. So this particular course that you can purchase in 5,000 only. NLP course, again in a NLP that you will get the 50% discount. So this course that you will get in a 3,000 only. The current price that we have a 6,000, but whenever you are going to apply a Diwali 55 coupon code, you will get a 50% discount. Same for our machine learning bootcamp. So in our all the live courses, nowadays we are providing a 50% discount. Okay, so whatever the skills that you want to learn, you can just visit a Success Analytics website, and after that you can purchase the courses. Now if I talk about the bundle courses, so in the bundle courses we have a two bundle. First that we have the ultimate course, second that we have the bundle courses plus a live class. So if I show you this particular course, so here as you can see I have included a complete things about generative AI, our complete bundle courses. We have here our NLP bootcamp courses as well as our email project bootcamp. So again in this particular course you will get a complete 50% discount. So where I have included a multiple courses, so NLP bootcamp, fine tune text summarization project, text speech, wisdom AI application, again online retailer, machine learning project, live class, mastery with Python, ML ops project, now job ready, a real time face detection. So all the projects that you will get here in a bundle, you will get everything. Okay, so yes guys, this is our Diwali offer. Okay, hope you like it, this particular complete offer, and if you are interested, make sure you can visit our Success Analytics portal, and depends upon your learning you can purchase the courses. Okay, so yes, don't miss out this particular limited time offer. Visit our Success Analytics website, check it out, the link below in the description section, and purchase the course. Okay, so yes, see you in our next video guys. Thank you.